Hey guys, so tomorrow is April 20th, and 4.02 and 4.03 are due tomorrow. You should have been working on those this week. And I'm going to say that some of you have still yet to do 306 and 401. So you're really behind. And I've started putting in backslashes to try and get everybody aware of what they owe me. Tomorrow you're going to start working on 501 and 502. We'll take a look at that. 501 is channels of distribution. And that's how we get the product to our consumers. You do have a LAP. Channel it with this. You have one discussion, how channel management affects prices, and you're going to read this article, The Role of Intermediaries. Every time a product is handled by a middleman, every time somebody else has to help get the product to the customer, the price of that product is going to rise. It costs more. Okay, so for every time if it has to fly and then be put in a truck and then into a smaller truck to be delivered, that's 3 intermediaries that it's gone through, and it's going to up the price on getting the product. So you're going to read this article. You're going to come back and then explain in your own words how that affects consumer pay. And remember, a good paragraph is 3 to 5 sentences. This, the supply chain is a supplementary lesson that you can look at to help you understand. And then the dark trade is a video that is it's really interesting. It's long. I don't expect you to watch it all. I don't make you do any work to prove you watched it. If I had you in class, we would definitely watch this. It is that good of a documentary. And then you have the 501 post test. So only 2 grades in 501. 5.02 again is channel management, digging a little bit deeper, and you've got a LAP, chart your channels, getting the job done, and you have a Google Doc. You'll open it up. It'll ask you to make a copy. And so you will using the notes, fill in the blanks using these words. You got a word bank up here, channel activities, and one will go in each of these sentences. Determine which channel activity is taking place. So you have to understand, you got to read that LAP to understand the channel activities before you can do that assignment. So that goes along with that LAP, and then there's the 502 post test. So again, there's only 2 assignments with 502. That's 4 assignments this week. That's not a lot. So a lot of you need to be catching up and then doing 501 and 502. We only have about 4 weeks left, and all we've got is 5.03 to finish. But you've got to get caught up. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Email me, send me a remind text. I know that we are all going through a lot with the COVID-19, but you guys have the advantage, again, in that you were already signed up for online learning, and you know how to do this and what to do and understand the time frame. So if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I will talk to you soon.